Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by removing power sources. Take out AA cells or the charge pack and wait about 30 seconds so residual charge drains. Once done, power cycle your console or PC by shutting down and unplugging for 10 seconds. This clears USB/wireless state. Next, press and hold the pair button and the Xbox button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds to force a hard reset. You do this because lingering firmware states or stuck radios often cause blinking rather than a solid connection light. Once your controller and console are reset, check firmware. Connect via USB and open the Accessories app or Console Update menu to install any controller firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause repeated blinking. Make sure to repair by pressing the console's pair button, then the controller's pair until the light becomes solid. If blinking persists, plug a known good USB cable to see if the controller works wired. This isolates wireless radio problems versus power or internal hardware faults. Finish by ruling out power. Install fresh AA batteries or a charged pack because low voltage triggers blinking. Inspect battery contacts and clean lightly with 70% isopropyl alcohol if any corrosion appears. Poor contact makes the controller think it's connecting and disconnecting. If the controller still blinks after repairing, firmware, and power checks, test another controller on the same console to isolate the issue. If all else fails, contact manufacturer support. Hardware replacement is sometimes required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.